Hello everyone, this is Mr. Tom Tom, your favorite international space personality. Today we are going to work on two science experiments. In this first one, we are going to make some magic rocks. In the second experiment, we are going to make a volcano explode. Let's get started. Here we're putting in the last rocks. One rock to fix. Move them around a little bit. Whoop. Alright. We just put in the new rocks and they are already starting to grow. Still reacting, moving it around. This would be our earthquake, releasing more power. So the final step in our science experiment here is cleanup. Great job with the science experiments today. You know you have some great skills now. In fact, you can transfer those skills to something else. For example, making brownies. See you next time.